Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy stir-fried squid. Now I know squid isn't everybody's cup of tea, but I like it and this is an easy and tasty recipe. A full list of ingredients are on screen now. The first thing we do is prepare the sauce. Simply put the hoisin sauce, sesame oil, honey, black pepper, sriracha and black bean sauce in a suitably sized bowl and mix together well. Then prepare the vegetables until you have something that looks like this. Next you prepare the squid. Simply take the clean squid tube, open it up and on the inside score it in a crisscross pattern, as you see here. Then when this is done, cut into bite-sized pieces and reserve. Then when you're ready to cook, heat a wok until it's lovely and hot, add some oil, and when the oil is smoking, add in all the vegetables. You should have a nice sizzle. Continue to cook on a high heat until the edges of the peppers and garlic and onions take on some colour, a nice charred effect. Then it's time to add the squid to the pan. Continue to fry off for a minute or two, then it's time to add in the prepared sauce. Continue to cook on a high heat, stirring all the time until everything's piping hot. Then it's time to serve. This is a very easy and tasty recipe for squid. I like the tentacles on a squid, not because they taste better, because I can chase my wife from the kitchen with them. Anyway, we hope you like this recipe and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.